told your friend you're not okay? And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong.
Hello guys, thank you for jumping onto this video. So here is how to create a film strip, blackline, masking effects. Create a blank video. Increase the duration. Tap PIP and import your photo. Tap autofill for full screen. Clip the photo to the end. Add keyframe to the beginning. Tap mask. Add a bilateral mask. Shrink it down and drag the shadow key to reveal the photo. Rotate the mask and drag it up. Play the clip and stop at the middle. Tap mask, drag the mask tool to the end. Play the clip to the end. And tap mask, drag the mask tool back to the top. So let's preview the final results. Thank you so much for watching and much love I got for you. Peace.